Okay, today for lesson 32, we're talking about your multiplication facts, the 9s, the 10s, the 11s, and the 12s. How many people feel really good about their 10s? Yeah, awesome. What about your 11s? Yeah, pretty easy. 11 times 11 and 11 times 12 are sometimes tricky.
121, 130.
Oh, boom, so good. Okay, 9s, how do we feel about 9s? Okay, good. I love my 9s. 9s are my favorite. What about 12s? Some, okay. Good, okay, very good. So one thing I want to talk about today, are some 9s are listed below on this slide. We want to look for patterns. Have y'all already identified the patterns in the 9s?
Yes.
Yeah. I love 9s because it has patterns. I love 9s because you can use your fingers. 9s are fun to me. They were my favorite when I was growing up learning them. They still are as I teach them. Notice that the first digit of each product is 1 less than the number that it's multiplied by 9. So looking at 9 times 2, if I were to add 1 plus 8, that gives me 9. 9 times 3 is 27. If I were to add 2 and 7, it equals 9. Isn't that fun? 9 times 4 is 36. 3 and 6 make 9. Also, I just explained the part that says also notice the 2 digits of each product add up to 9. So the first part where it says the first digit of each product is 1 less than the number that it's multiplied by. So do you see what I mean by that? It says the first digit of each product. So the 1, it's 1 less than what it's multiplied by. The 2 is 1 less than what it's multiplied by. The 3 is 1 less than what it's multiplied by. Do y'all see what I mean? Yeah. Okay. These 2 patterns can help us quickly multiply by 9. And then also something else right here, right halfway through, it starts to flip-flop. Your numbers flip-flop. So it was 45, now it's 54. It was 36, now it's 63. It's like a mirror almost. And the numbers reverse. It's another fun pattern too. Okay. What is the first digit of each product? So based on that first pattern that we just talked about, if the first digit of each product is 1 less than the number you're multiplying 9 by, then what would the first digit be in A?
50.
It would start with the 5, right? Okay, we're only wanting the first digit of each product. Okay, what about 3 times 9? It would be a 2. C, a 6. D, a 3. And E, a 7. The first digit is 1 less than the number multiplied by 9. Okay, so down here we basically have what we just did together. But if I want to finish it up, what do I do?
4.
A 4.
7.
3,
4.
6, and 2.
Very good. Okay, find the product of each multiplication fact. Let's see.
27.
Hold on. Okay, Tyler, what's A?
27.
Chase, what's B?
45.
What?
45.
Okay, good. Kaden, what's C?
17.
Kennedy, what's D? Lena, what's E? Kaylee, what's F? Lila, what's G? And Will, what's H? 81. Okay, now we're going to find the product for each of these multiplication facts. Be ready, I might call on you. Isaiah, what is I? Very good. Amelia, what's J?
70.
Perfect. Cameron, what's K? Very good. Reagan, what's L?
90.
Braden, what is M?
66.
Connor, N.
44.
Beck, O. Shepherd, P.
99.
And we're done. Now you guys get to start your written practice. So your written practice is on page 220. You're doing all 30 questions, written practice 1 through 30. That's it. Make sure you show all necessary work.